let's say that you switched on, and let's say that you make some good decisions, and let's say that you've given yourself some time of 10 years or more to create an amazing set of carefree moments or retirement, whatever that might mean to you. What happens when you decide to retire as a property investor? So you've talked about how your dad shifted in terms of asset classes. What are the other options that are available as exit strategies?
Yeah, so look, I think the first one that comes to mind is living off income. And again, in retirement, for most people, the easiest terms to put in is income, not a lump sum. I mean, it sounds nice. The 250 Rand, as I said, can sound like a big number to some people, but what does it mean in terms of income? What does $1 million mean in terms of income? What is, that total number is really driven by what you need every year to be able to live the life you want, going on holidays if you want to go on holidays, supporting your family, ensuring you're getting good care if you need health support. So to transition to getting that income, I mean, part of it is either you build a portfolio of properties and you ensure that your income is far exceeding the debt, in which case, or your servicing of interest costs, and the surplus that you're getting is income that you receive, and that should grow over time as rents go up over time and your interest cost goes down as debt might be paid off. So that's one option.